Hey, welcome back to the course. So we are in section 8 right now, and this is really one of the most exciting section because we are going to use a Tracealyzer tool to get the graphical representation of your FreeRTOS task execution. All right, so this section is debugging FreeRTOS using Tracealyzer tool. So this section consists of 4 exciting lectures. The first lecture covers about the Tracealyzer software for FreeRTOS, and in the second lecture I will discuss about some of the system requirements, and in third and fourth I will demonstrate you how exactly you can integrate Tracealyzer with your Atmel Studio 7 as well as with Arduino and get the trace of your FreeRTOS application execution onto the Tracealyzer software. Alright, let's get started with our first lecture, that is Tracealyzer for FreeRTOS. Just type Tracealyzer FreeRTOS in the Google and follow this link, which takes you to the Percipio website. The Percipio is a company who developed this software called Tracealyzer. Okay, so this is a PC-based application which you can download and install into your machine. After that, this application will talk to your board using debuggers like JLink or Atmel ICE. Which debuggers to use I have explained in the next lecture. Okay, so which is on system requirements. Alright, so by using this Tracealyzer application you can get a graphical view of all the tasks ISRs executing in your embedded board. Okay, you can analyze when your task is scheduled to run, when it is getting blocked, what's the idle time, what the CPU load, CPU load free time, how much time your ISR is really consuming, etc, etc. So all these analysis you can do once you get the trace of the application running on your board. So in this section we are going to explore how to integrate this Tracealyzer software with our Arduino and Atmel Studio. And for the Eclipse as well as Keel guys, okay, I have explained in this section how to integrate the Percipio Tracealyzer software with Eclipse as well as Keel in order to get the trace for your STM based hardwares. So now how can we download this software? For that, click here. Currently there is a support for only Windows and Linux, so download according to your operating system, and I will go for Windows, and after downloading please install this software. And there is another way of installing the FreeRTOS Tracealyzer application, that is directly through the Atmel Studio. Okay, so for that go to help, okay, and click on Atmel Gallery. So for this you need to have an internet connection, of course, because it will search in the Atmel website. Alright, so after that you have to sign in into the Atmel Gallery. So after that you need to log in into the Atmel's account. Okay, so you should be having one My Atmel account. Okay, so I have already have an account, so I will just log in into the Atmel Gallery. Alright, so now I am logged into my Atmel account, and here search for trace. Just type trace and hit enter. And here you can see the Percipio Tracealyzer software which is available for the download. So if you install this, you can directly access from the Atmel Studio itself. Okay, so you can go to tools, and here it will be available, FreeRTOS plus trace. Okay, alright, so you can just click download here. Okay, so once you click download, okay, the file with the extension of VXIX will be available for the download. Okay, so just click on save. All right, so save somewhere. So let me save in documents. All right, so now we downloaded into this folder. So here you can see this file is actually a Microsoft Visual Studio extension. Okay, so this is an extension for your Atmel Studio. So now this extension you have to install into the Atmel Studio. Alright, for that just double click, and it is saying that this extension is already installed to all applicable products. That means I have already installed it. Alright, so for you it must succeed, and after that you must be able to access the FreeRTOS trace software from here itself, that is from tools. Okay, so here it is, it will appear over here. So there are two ways you can install the Percipio Tracealyzer software. One is directly by using the Percipio website. Okay, in that case you just go to their website and download the software and install it. Okay, then you must be able to access it from your start menu. Just go to your start and click on all programs, and here go to Percipio, and here there is a software Tracealyzer for FreeRTOS. Just to open that. Okay, so here click on free edition. Alright, so you should get a window something like this. Alright, so if you install directly into the Atmel Studio, okay, so then go to tools and click on this FreeRTOS plus trace. So both are exactly same. Alright, so that's how you download the FreeRTOS Tracealyzer software, and you should install it. So in the next lecture, let's explore about how exactly the Tracealyzer works.